Hi, welcome back to another video tutorial for Cabinet Vision. My name's Taylor and today I'm going to be showing you how to send your drawings to the drawing page in either a live or a static view. So when you are bringing in your views onto your drawing page, you need to be on the drawing tab. And on the left hand side here, you'll see this option for available scenes. At the moment, we don't have any available scenes in here, so there's nothing that we can bring through onto this page to get ready to save as a PDF or to print out for our clients as our proper shop drawings. So we need to create some scenes to be available. So if we go back to the plan view, what you can do is anywhere on the white page, just right click, and then you'll see the option to either the little camera, which says to drawings, send current view to drawings, or the video camera to live drawing, send the current view to drawings as a live scene. So I'm going to send it both ways and show you the difference. So first we right click, we go select that little camera, and you can see it's just changed my scene here to be all black and white, and it's taken out a little bit of the detail of the drawings. So I'm just going to click anywhere in the blank space and then right click again and choose the video camera option to live drawing. And you see that one didn't change anything, but it has sent it over to the drawing page. So if we go to the drawing tab now we can see we have two available scenes, and you can see one has got a little symbol next to it of sort of arrows in a circle, which is denoting that that one is the live option. So I'm going to bring these both in to the page side by side so you can see the difference. So to bring them in, all you do is click and drag onto the white page, let go of your mouse, and then you'll get a little red preview box. You can put that anywhere on the page and just click to drop it in. So you can see that these two scenes have come through a little bit differently in both. This one is, like I said, the black and white one. This is the static view or just the plain camera, the two drawings. And this one is the live drawing. So that's the one that has come through in all the colors that we see on the plan view. Now, the main difference between these two options is that if I was to go back to the plan and change something, the live option will update automatically, whereas this option, the static option, will remain exactly as it is. So there can be different advantages and disadvantages of both depending on how you like to work in Cabinet Vision. So just to show you the difference, if I go back to plan, and let's say I just delete a set of drawers from the island, we'll delete all the drawers just to make it clear. And I go back to the drawing page. So you can see that this live drawing updated, and now there isn't any drawers shown there, whereas the static option is still showing the kitchen as it was when I sent it originally. So it's like a capture of that moment in time, whereas the live one is going to update. So the type that you choose is just really going to be based on whether or not you want your drawings to update automatically on the drawing page when you make changes in the plan or elevation view. So I hope that's been a helpful, brief little overview. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll be able to get back to you.